Yo, what's up guys? Background video here. Today is another vacuum saved. Yeah, I have another vacuum saved. Well, once again. Yep, once again, and then another vacuum saved. But we have two stick vacs. Both Eurekas. I believe they're both the same thing, except for the color. Well, yeah, they're both the same thing really, except for the color's different. So, anyways, let's get into this, shall we? Before we begin, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. And don't forget to comment down below. Actually, oh, and besides that, hit the freaking like button on this video. So, let's get started. Okay, so we have a Eureka Quick Up stick vac. Let's have a look at the. Let's have a look at the model. And by the way, guys, I do not have my microphone with me, so if the audio sounds different in this vacuum saved, it's because I do not have my microphone. So, anyways, here we go. Model 169, 2 amps, Type J. Charlotte, North Carolina. I believe that's right. Charlotte, North Carolina. Let's have a look at this one. This one's also a Eureka Quick Up. Let's have a look at this. This one is also model 169. This one is type MBL, 2 amps. Same thing as this one. So, I guess we can go ahead and plug these in and see if, well, see if they work. Because I've had these for over a week now and never got to make a video on these. My uncle picked these up from his work. Alright, anyways. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. But anyways, we have these two stick vacs. So, let's get started. Man, I've been sneezing a lot lately and I have no idea why. Well, before we do, let's have a look at the dust thing, the dust cup. Good. Okay, this one has no filter. Yeah, this one has no filter, which is strange. This one has no filter. Let's have a look in there. Is there trash? I don't know if you guys could see in there, but to me, it looks like there's trash in that fan. It looks like there's trash in that fan. So, I'm probably going to have to, well, it's definitely going to have to be taken apart and all that. There's just a little bit of dirt in there. This one has no filter, though. So, I wonder how it's going to sound with no filter. Got that on. Let's have a look at this one. This one does have the filter. This one's not, but this one does. Ooh, it is extremely dirty. Ew, that is nasty. Ew. Ew, oh my gosh, that is nasty. Yeah, this one's definitely more dirtier. Ooh, yeah. This blue one's definitely more dirtier than this red one. It does have the filter though. Yeah, let's just put that back in there. Ooh. Disgusting. That filter's gonna have to be cleaned. Oh yeah, let's have a look at Is there any trash in here too? Oh yeah, there's more trash in here than there is the red one. More trash. Yeah, oh yeah, you can see there's definitely more trash in there. So. Snap back in. And these are the stick backs where they have, just flip it over here. These are the stick backs where they have the rollers. So yeah, let's have a look at the rollers. These are suction powered, by the way, I think. I think these are suction powered. But this one doesn't seem too dirty. A little bit of hair. But normal overall. Normal melting dirt in the roller overall. Ooh, look at that. Dust on the brushes. But yeah, this is the stick backs where they have the brushes. Let's have a look on this one. Let's have a look on the bottom. Ooh, this one is definitely more dirtier than the red one. That's for sure. This one also has more. This blue one also has more scratches than the red one. So this blue one obviously is much more. The red one's in better shape than this blue one is. You look, if you just look right there, you can see it's just like mud. It's like dried up mud or something. I'm still able to turn the roller though. But yeah, this one has floors and carpets. Floors and carpets. The floors is with the roller off. And same thing for this, and the carpets with the roller on. So yeah, let's go ahead and plug these in and see if they work. And like I said, I've had these for probably a week or over a week. My uncle picked these up from his work. So let's see if these work. We'll start with the red one first. Because, I mean, this one has no filter. So anyways, let's unravel the cord. Cord is very short, to be expected. Set it right there. Oh, come on. There's plugged in. And let's see if this works. So, click turn on. Ooh. It sounds a little bit funky. It does sound funky, but it's not that bad. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn this on to carpet. We're going to vacuum some carpet, so let's switch it to carpet. And we'll see if the roller is working or not. So here we go. So yeah, this definitely does sound funky, but it's not that bad. This one does not have a filter. But, so yeah, that's one. That one is probably going to need a new filter. and some cleanup. So yeah, that's it with that one really. So this one, we have this blue one here. I'm going to go ahead and see if this one works. Not bothering to wind them up. It's already been 10 minutes, I didn't even realize. Plug this one in. Plug the blue one. And we will see if this one works. So here, ooh, almost dropped it. So here we go. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Ooh, very rough. Yeah, not too good sounding. That's for sure. Yeah, this is pretty loud. And this one has the filter. This red one does not have the filter. This one does have the filter, but motor sounds awful. Maybe it's because of all that trash in the fan or something. Because you remember, guys, when I showed you that, it's probably why. But anyways, let's turn this back on and see if the roller works and see if it cleans. But I definitely see something that how loud this thing is. But let's continue vacuuming. See if the roller works. See if it cleans. Yeah. This is very loud. Yeah. Yeah, it's not in the best shape. Yeah. So yeah, this thing is very loud. Motor is extremely loud. It needs work, that's for sure. This red one needs a filter. Motor sounds a little bit funky, but it sounds okay. And this blue one does have the filter, but the motor sounds very, very awful. And it's gonna need some work. So that pretty much does it for this vacuum saved. Whatever episode this is, just back with another vacuum saved. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vacuum saved of these two Eureka stick vacs. And yeah, that pretty much ends this vacuum saved right here. And yes, it is starting to get windy out here. But anyways, that's pretty much going to end this vacuum saved right here. Like, comment, subscribe, Also, make sure you hit the like on this video if you enjoyed this video. So that pretty much ends for this vacuum saved. And I hope you guys enjoyed. So, till next time, guys. I guess I'll see you guys next time. Peace.